Alright, it is Tuesday, November 16th, and I'm going to be doing a short drive from my house to meet my wife for lunch. So without further ado, let's go for a quick little drive here. There a lot of hesitation, and just, you know, that intersection has continued to be a struggle. Honestly, it wasn't terrible with 10.2. 10.3 was a step in the wrong direction, and unfortunately 10.4 seems to be yet another step in the wrong direction, where it's not worse than 10.3, but it really definitely hasn't improved at all. So I had a scenario earlier today where it wanted to go even though a car was coming, so I had to obviously hit the brake and intervene. So you know, that's just something I hope that they start addressing. And then, you know, I have to take over here as well because, you know, FSD does not yet understand the no turn on red signs that are posted on this intersection here. So that should be really honestly an easy problem for them to solve if they make it a priority. I know they have probably 1,000 other priorities that they're worried about right now, but training the car not to turn on red should be fairly straightforward. They should have enough data at least to go off by now. So alright, this is going to be just a really short drive from Columbia Heights here to my house in northeast Minneapolis. So I don't expect this to be very eventful, but in case it is, I just wanted to record. It's a very windy day today, so there's a lot of leaves and stuff blowing around, and sometimes I've seen that cause problems with the car. Let's see if this thing figures it out here. We're off to a great start already. Alright, I'm taking over. I don't know what I was doing there. Coming from the other, you know, further down behind us there, if I reach that spot in the road, it did the same thing before, so we are going to report that. So I had to give it a little accelerator there to get it to go around that car, and again I had to take over there. So the car just wanted to slam on the brakes there for I don't know why it's done that, but I've noticed that now a few times. I believe it happened in 10.3 as well, but as the car is rolling up to the intersection, it just decides to kind of grenade the brakes for what appears to be no apparent reason. So I think I hit report already, but just in case, I hit it again there. And I'm just going to complete this left turn manually here, as I have somebody behind me here. sure they were a little surprised that my car just decided to brake, but they were further enough back that it really wasn't an issue, but just jarring to me, the driver. So I helped it along a little bit there as somebody was kind of tailgating me behind us there. So I just applied a little bit of throttle input just to kind of accelerate it a little bit faster than what I wanted to go. So again, the car just hit the brakes hard there. I know it was anticipating that the car was going to hit us, but it pretty clearly was not. So, you know, as the car gets more confident down the road with future software updates, I really hope that they, you know, change the response to how it deals with cars that are, you know, turning up on the opposite lane that aren't really a threat. So, anyways, that's it for this ride here. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.